Anyway, today we're gonna play with some slime. How do we wait? So I go like this, like that. Oh, okay. Cut it out. So what it looks like? Super soft and stretchy. I'm gonna try to take it. Okay, got it out. It is super stretchy. Look at that. Super stretchy. It's supposed to be butter cloud. It's called butter cloud. I think it's like I don't know what texture it is. It's supposed to be a silky buttery compound. You can't read it because my screen is shaking. Anyways, what do you rate the slime? Oh, anyways, this video is made for kids, not sponsored. Anyways, don't mind that. You have to like press hard to get its attention. It's just soft people just go like, this one ain't working. So you have to go like pull, push. It's a bit rippy, but so tricky. Like if you do it gently, it turns into like this snowfish texture. If you like add some lotion or something, it makes it like a snowfish. Alright, anyways, this is just a fly, just a fat ass fly. Oh, I'm not alone, so I'm fine. Just look at that slime, man. You can't resist the slime. You cannot resist this. Okay, so stretchy. I can do a swirl, but I'm holding my phone, so I can't really. I can roll it up. Roll. Next, I can pick it up, drop it, and poke. Look at that. Whoa. Some more. Whoa. Okay, put it back. Squish. Now let's put the lid on so it doesn't dry out. Because it kind of like put it back. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is what it looks like. You get it at Walmart or Kmart, where I bought it. I got it from Kmart, but you can get it in the USA, because we're the USA. And you also scan this, but I guess you can go scan it by this, and you can play with it, and you can scan this code. Okay, I think that's all.